Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to upload a short from Capcut to your YouTube channel. First things first, on your Capcut, what you're going to do is to upload the video that you want to add to your short. And then after that, at the bottom part, just find the aspect ratio and then select the 9:16 option and then click the check. Now you can adjust it fully screen, or you can leave it up like this. Now if you want to zoom your video, just pinch it out, and after editing, just export your video and then wait for it to save to your device. And then you can click the YouTube option right here, or if you don't have any of this, you can simply go to your YouTube app and then click the plus button right here, and then go to add section and select the video that we've just edited before. And then once you upload or select your video, you can continue by selecting the check button right here and then click the next button. And then now you can put the title for your short video. And then once you're done, you can proceed to upload your short. And then that's it guys. I hope this video helps you. If it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.